Alrighty, what's up guys? And Escape and Alex coming back to you with another video from Within Two Souls. And here we have a completed version of Sunny Disposition, so we hope you approve, alright? 1, 2, you got a sunny disposition, but you make me cry. Hate the way that you say, oh, why don't try? You got a sunny disposition, but you make me cry. Hate the way that you say you are mine. Some roses, petals so soft, but I hate the way your thorns dig into me. Your words are so smooth, the northern sea, but ice cold as the Arctic breeze. You got a sunny disposition, but you try. Got a sunny disposition, but you make me cry. Hate the way that you say you are mine. So keep the comforts of your hotel room, 'cause you are the poison in my veins. The city calls to me like you never could. It's time for me to start new life, I guess. Got a sunny disposition, but you make me cry. I hate the way that you say you are mine. You're really not. Disposition, but you